Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered where your strength has gone? Maybe you used to lift heavy groceries without blinking, or chase after grandkids with ease. But now, every year it feels like your muscles are quietly slipping away. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. But what if I told you that there's a simple, powerful habit that can help you keep your muscles strong, even as the years go by? And it starts with what you eat, right before bed. Here's the secret. Your body repairs and builds muscle while you sleep. But if you go to bed hungry, or worse, after a sugary snack, your body doesn't have the fuel it needs to protect those precious muscles. That's why for seniors, the right bedtime snack is more than just a treat. It's a lifeline for your strength, independence, and confidence. So what should you reach for? The answer is simple, and you probably already have it in your kitchen. Protein. Just 20 grams of high-quality protein before bed, like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, or a glass of milk, can give your muscles exactly what they need to rebuild overnight. And it's not just about biceps or abs. Strong muscles mean you move better, avoid falls, and keep doing what you love. Gardening, dancing, hugging your family. I've seen so many people rediscover their strength with just this one habit. It's not magic, it's science, and it's a small act of self-care that adds up. So tonight, before you head to bed, treat yourself. Pick a protein snack you enjoy. Take a moment to nourish yourself, knowing you're helping your body stay strong for tomorrow. And if you've tried this already, or you have your own bedtime ritual, I want to hear about it. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else to start their journey toward strength too. Remember, age is just a number, but staying strong is a choice we make every day. Sleep well and take care of your amazing self.